Hi, I'm Lexiano Plimo. I'm currently working here in Japan for almost 10 months now at Curry House Kokoe Chibanya. I was able to get a very good employer through Hashira Japanese Language School under Placewell. And what's good about this school is that hindi lang nila tayo tinutulungan maghanap ng employer, kundi they prepare us, they equip us kung ano man yung pwede nating asahan sa ibang bansa sa Japan. And now, na-assign ako sa isang new branch kung saan nale-level up ko. I was able to level up my customer service and management skills. Nakakapag-ipon, nakakatulong sa magulang, and na-enjoy yung ganda ng Japan. Sobrang maganda dito sa Japan. Ngayon, nakompleto ko na yung 4 seasons. So, isa yan sa dapat nyo i-look forward sa pagtatrabaho dito sa Japan. Gambate kudasai!